want to do is make it equal to 0. So I'm going to subtract 4x, subtract 4. So x cubed plus x squared minus 4x minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. Okay, so let's start there. I'm looking at the homework. Do I have any like this? Yeah, I have one like this. 2 like this. Okay. As y'all are doing that. Now, do y'all remember how to solve it when it has 4 terms? What could I do? What's my trick there? I got to make this equal 0. I could do factoring by grouping. Plus negative 4x minus 4. I could do parentheses on the first 2, parentheses on the last 2. Okay. Minus 4x minus 4. What does x cubed and x squared have in common? Squared, yeah. That have 3 x's, took 2 out, 1's left. Had 2 x's, took both out, so just be 1. What about negative 4x and 4? Negative 4. Negative 4. Negative 4 divided by 4 is 1. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1. If you have a negative leading coefficient, you have to take out a negative. So these have x plus 1 in common. So you're left with x squared minus 4. How's x squared minus 4 factor? Yeah, x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay. All right, now I solve these. So I'm just going to put, there'd be negative 1 there, negative 2 there, 2 there. Those are what makes that equal 0. I'm not going to make the equations because I don't think I have enough room. That's my fault. So I'm going to make a number line that has those boundary points on it. So negative 1, or negative, oh, dang it. Let's do negative 3. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Negative 1's a boundary point, negative 2 is a boundary point, and 2 is a boundary point. So we've got 3 boundary points and 4 intervals. Okay, so now you've got to plug in value. Like, let's establish the interval. So it's negative 2 and beyond to the left would be negative infinity to negative 2. Hold it, I did that wrong. Negative 2's got to have a brace with it because it has an equal to. As an equal to, so negative 2's going to have a brace. Then negative 2 to negative 1, both with braces because of the equal to. Braces on the equal to. And then we have from negative 1 to 2. And then we have from 2 to infinity. All right, so now we're going to plug in values in these areas that I could be lazy and go second graph. So I'm going to do negative 3. I'm going to do that up here. So negative 3 cubed plus negative 3 squared minus 4 times negative 3 minus 4. That's negative 10. Something between negative 2 and negative 1. So I'm about to do like negative 1.5. 5 cubed plus negative 1.5 squared minus 4 times negative 1.5 minus 4. I'm going to have to go to the graph on that one. Trace negative 1.5. It's 0.875. So that one's positive. So this one's positive. That one's negative. And 0. I'm going to pause after I write all this. 4. That is negative 4. So that one's negative. And from 2 to infinity. So let's do 3. 3 is positive. 3 cubed plus 3 squared minus 4 times 3 minus 4. That's 20. So that's positive. I'm wanting to know the intervals where it's less than or equal to 0. So less than would be negative ones. So I just want the negative ones. When is it negative? Negative infinity to negative 2. Union negative 1 to 2. And those are my ones that are less than or equal.